We are going to see session 5, that is computer operating system. Yes, everyone know operating system. What does it do? It helps us to control the whole system of the computer. Without the operating system, it is not going to work, right? So let us see. You must be seeing over here some of the operating system which I have kept it, like Windows, you can see Apple, Android and many more. Okay, so let us start. This is a dashboard. Okay, so we will see the first thing, that is the classification of software. Everyone knows software means what? Software means a set of instructions, a set of programs, right? So that is known as software. So in that also we are having the classification, or you can say the categories. So system software and application software. In system software we have operating system, language processor, device drivers and utilities, while in application we have general purpose, specific purpose and customized. I think that you have already seen that thing in the first part A. This is part B. Then also we will just take a brief introduction about it. So operating system, yes, we are going to learn today about the operating system, that is to use to control. Language processor, everyone know that the computer understand only the language of binary. वो सिर्फ binary language को समझता है, that is 0 and 1 machine language को. तो हमें क्या चाहिए? हमें language processor चाहिए. Like you take one example के एक स्टेट को लेकर आप बात कर रहे हो, या एक कंट्री को लेकर बात कर रहे हो, लाइक इंडिया एंड देन रशिया हैज देयर ओन लैंग्वेज एंड इंडिया इज हैविंग देयर ओन लैंग्वेज. तो अगर किसी पर्सन को नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, सो देयर इज अ मीडिएटर इन बिटवीन. सो द मीडिएटर ओवर हियर फॉर द कंप्यूटर इज द लैंग्वेज प्रोसेसर. Now device driver, yes, we needed device drivers if you want to insert a pen drive, if you want to insert a DVD, CDs. For that we needed a driver to be installed. Utilities, so how to maintain that thing. Okay, so for the maintenance we needed the utilities over there. Application software, in that general purpose, that is Word, Excel, PowerPoint, database, that is called the general purpose applications. Applications means how you are applying. This system is to control the whole thing. For that we needed all the 4 types, right? While application is to how to apply that all things in a software, right? So it's general purpose, then specific purpose. In that, like Tally, you know it, Tally is there, then SAP is there, account management. Okay, then you can say many of the things have been covered over here, and many applications also. Customize in that how to maintain it, right? So virus, scanner, encryptions, that all are the part of it. Now system software, it is a collection of one or programs which I have already told you about it. System software act as an interface between the user and the computer. User means we all, and computer, you know it very well that computer यानी computer होता है, laptop होता है. Okay, उन दोनों के बीच में, यानी हम दोनों के बीच में, जैसे यूजर और कंप्यूटर के बीच में हमें चाहिए सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर. अगर सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर नहीं है देन इट कैन नॉट बी वर्किंग वेरी वेल. ओके, और इट मे बी सेड दैट वर्क ही नहीं होगा. The functions of software, first thing that it reads the data. पहले तो वो read करता है, right, from the input device, that is keyboard and mouse. Whatever you are typing or whatever you are giving the mouse action, double click, single click, आप कोई फाइल को ओपन करते हो, कोई प्रोग्राम को ओपन करते हो, for that, so that has been read, and afterwards it is being done the function of it. To transmit the processed information to the output device, yes, we needed to process it, as I have told you that for IPO cycle, right? So in that the processing is done, and afterwards you get the output on the output devices. That is being done with the help of software. To check the working order of all the peripheral devices, whether it is working in proper way. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था प्रोसेसर मैनेजमेंट, राइट? मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन किया था प्रोसेसर मैनेजमेंट, डिफरेंट फंक्शंस ऑफ द सॉफ्टवेयर्स, राइट? Then to convert the data and instruction into binary form. Yes, we needed the binary form because the computer understand only the binary language. Now the classification. Now how you will classify it, right? So first of all, as I have told you, operating system, device drivers, this is operating system. These are the drivers. CD आपको पता ही है कि हाँ, that is used for hard disk. EF, it is used for DVD, CDs, or maybe even pen drive also. Then language processor. I told you that in languages we needed a processor. to translate it. Utility softwares like backup, you can see many of the things over here. This all are called the utility softwares. Now operating system, वो क्या है? Operating system, it requires specific instruction how to perform each and every task. यानी operating system सारी चीजों को देखता है कि कैसे क्या काम करना है, right? How to follow the instructions. It acts like an interface. Again, it is the same thing. जैसे आपने system software के बारे में पढ़ा था, that same thing is over here. It is an interface in between of the user and computer. दोनों के बीच में क्या वर्क कर रहा है? ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम नहीं है तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. इट इज अ मास्टर प्रोग्राम. यस, मास्टर प्रोग्राम क्यों बोला जाता है? बिकॉज ऑफ दिस ओनली इट इज गोइंग टू वर्क. अगर ओएस नहीं है तो आपका हार्डवेयर और सॉफ्टवेयर किसी काम का नहीं है विदाउट द ओएस, which makes our PC alive. Like you know that in Android versions also, अगर Android नहीं होता तो स्मार्टफोन होता? No, there is no smartphone. To run an application, we needed this. If there is no operating system, then we are not able to perform any operations. अगर operating system नहीं है, I told you at the first only, and some of the popular are Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and DOS. Now we will go in deep for Windows 7. Now, what is the Windows 7 about? So it is an interface which was developed by Microsoft company. It is a famous popular company Microsoft. Because of that only the OS was being started over here. DOS, everyone know, at the first it was DOS and afterwards now it is Windows. Windows was the first graphical user interface. क्यों उसे graphical बोला जाता है? DOS was the command line interface. Command line means in that you have to write the commands, or you can also say character line interface. While this is a graphical user interface. Graphical क्यों? क्योंकि इसमें आप जैसे ही माउस बटन प्रेस करोगे यू विल क्लिक ऑन स्टार्ट एंड यू विल गो टू द प्रोग्राम्स एंड द प्रोग्राम इज ऑन. जबकि डॉस में क्या था? पूरा कमांड आपको लिखना पड़ता है एंड आफ्टर दैट यू कैन ओपन द प्रोग्राम. सो विंडोज was very good, very good. That is now also you know it very well कि हम लोग बहुत used to हो गए विंडोज से. Windows 7 was available for use on October 22nd 2009. कब से स्टार्ट हुआ था? 2009 में वो अवेलेबल हुआ था एंड इट वाज यूजर फ्रेंडली. व्हाई यूजर फ्रेंडली? बिकॉज यू कैन यूज इट बाय इजीली. फ्रेंडली मीन्स इट इज इजी टू यूज. ओके, नाउ सम ऑफ द फीचर्स वी विल सी. सो ईज टू यूज. ईज टू यूज आई टोल्ड यू एट द फर्स्ट ओनली कि आप क्लिक करोगे एंड एवरीथिंग विल बी ओपन ओवर देयर. द प्रोग्राम्स विल बी ओपन ओवर देयर, राइट? एंड इट्स ग्राफिक इज टू गुड, टू गुड. ओके, एंड बाय दैट यस वी गेट एन इंटरेस्ट कि हाँ हम लोग काम करेंगे उसमें, right? So easy to use. Then multitasking, it can do many tasks together. एक साथ आप दो प्रोग्राम ओपन करके आप काम कर सकते हो, जबकि डॉस में ऐसा नहीं था. डॉस में एक चीज आप ओपन करोगे, एक प्रोग्राम ओपन करोगे, then you can work on that only. While in this it is multitasking. Searching made it easier. How you can search it? You know very this about it कि हाँ सर्च बॉक्स होता है हमारे पास, उसमें सर्च करने पर हमें वो प्रोग्राम मिल जाता है. like you can say that nearby the windows the start button. Okay, then pinning to the taskbar. Pinning to the taskbar means here you can see that मैं जैसे यहाँ पिन करके आपको दिखा रही हूँ. This is the pinning to the taskbar. Okay, so some of the things which you are usually using, आप हमेशा यूज करते हो कुछ प्रोग्राम्स, तो उसे पिन करके रखोगे then it will be easy for you. Okay, searching, यहाँ से सर्च करना, right? You will write any of the thing like यहाँ word मैंने लिखा, so the word file you can open it. Okay, arrow peak feature. Yes, arrow peak means जैसे ही मैं यहाँ कर्सर रखूंगी whichever the application is open, तो उसके बारे में वहां दिखाएगा वो live. And yes, you can move over here and you can see the desktop. आपको desktop भी दिखेगा and desktop and then this. Okay, so this is about it. Now live taskbar preview that I told you, live taskbar preview from here. Jump list. Jump list means over here कि आप means you can go to the recent whatever the program you have done. आप यहाँ से भी आप देखो क्लिक करोगे you will get it recent programs. And if you are going on the start and you are going to that program, वहां भी आपको वो ऑप्शन मिल जाता है. I'll just show you over here. Like I will open right? You can see here some of the recent documents will be shown over there. Okay, so this is about it. Then snap and shake. Yes, snap and shake is very good, very good. Snap means here what it is, quicker way to resize the open window, यानी आप उसे ऐसे ले जा सकते हो. You can snap it. Okay, you can see over here, right? So snap and then shake. When you will shake, you just see whatever the application is open. आप जो भी एप्लीकेशन आपके साथ ओपन होगी, आई विल जस्ट ओपन इट वन मोर. You can see I have shaked. Okay, I have shaked so I can see that thing. So snap and shake is this. Okay, now the next is starting the windows. We will go for the next over here. Starting the windows, the first screen everyone know it is called a desktop, which I can show you here like this. This is a desktop. Okay, so on the desktop what you can see the icons. The small pictures are called the icons, you know very well that thing. Okay, and then the desktop is the first screen, please keep it in mind. Then the start button, where we are having the start button, here we have the start button. My Windows 10 it is, so you can see, otherwise if it is 7 then according to that the button icon is different for that. Okay, so here what you can see on the start many of the options. यहाँ देखो आपके पास बहुत सारे options है, like you want to see about the pictures, right? You can see control panel and that all. Computer, games, आपको यहाँ already games कुछ दिख ही रहे हैं, right? You can see some of the games are there, browsers are there. Okay, so you can see this all things. You can see office also over here, right? Some default programs जो पहले से ही है, right? Some default programs you will see here. And help and support. Yes, help and support is mainly it is important, because if you needed any help related to any of the program then you can get it from here. Okay, so this is the thing. Next is start button. I told you this is the start button. Okay, documents, which will show you the documents. I will just show you over here. I'll just go by this way. You can see over here that documents, pictures. Okay, you can see here documents, then pictures. By default we have this all things. Okay, music, then videos. Okay, so this all things we already have it. Okay, games also I have explained you at the first only. Okay, computer gives access to the digital cameras, scanners and hardware devices with the help of, as I have told you, device driver. Control panel, what does it do? It controls the whole function of it, right? आपका appearance आपको change करना है, आपको program remove करना है. If you want to remove it, if you want to add it, you want to see the network user accounts, आप जैसे guest account आप बनाते हो, admin account you can make it. Okay, device and printers folder. What does it do? वो आपको devices के बारे में बताएगा, external devices and also about the printer which is in use. The default programs, as I have told you, some of the programs are default which you will see over there, and help and support. Now icon, you can see over here the icons. Icons may be known as a small graphic symbols, right? It can be an application icon, it can be a shortcut icon, or it can be a document icon. ये देखो ये सारे shortcuts है. ओके, ये सारे शॉर्टकट्स है. ये है हमारे डॉक्यूमेंट सॉरी द एप्लीकेशन आइकन्स. ओके, नाउ द सिस्टम आइकन्स, you know this part. This PC everyone know that is related to computer. तो computer में जो भी drives है that all you can access over here with the help of this PC. Network, to see the network, right, which will allow the access to many of the things like the hardware devices. I told you in the network only कि वो बहुत easy हो जाता है network से कि हम लोग एक ही प्रिंटर यूज कर रहे हैं, बट यू कैन टेक द प्रिंट आउट फ्रॉम एनी वेयर इफ इट इज इन नेटवर्क. देन recycle bin everyone know it is used as a trash bin, right? उसे trash भी बोला जाता है to delete the files and folders. आप जो भी फाइल या फोल्डर डिलीट करते हो that you can see in the recycle bin. Now the taskbar. In taskbar we have taskbar, please keep it in mind, it is at the bottom of the desktop while status bar is at the bottom of the window. दोनों चीजों को मिक्स मत करना. Okay, so quick launch bar, taskbar is at the bottom, and in that you can see this search box which I have explained you here only. Okay, so this is the search box. This is the quick launch bar. आपको यहाँ quick launch bar आपको मिल ही जाता है. देख लो, ये क्विक लॉन्च बार है in which you can quickly you can launch it, you can means you can open that file, और the mainly we use it for the browsers. आप देखना browsers हम लोग हमेशा यहाँ पिन करके रखते हैं. Notification area what does it do? It shows the clock and some of the icons like you can see over here. यहाँ clock है. Now in which language you are working, you can take that input tools. Here it is for the network. Okay, here it is for the battery, and then many more things are covered over here. You can see many more things are covered. Okay, so now active window means what? Most program are placed on the taskbar. आप देखना taskbar पे हमने रखा होगा, but when you open it, at that time it has been highlighted. The title bar, उसके ऊपर उसका कलर चेंज होता है, राइट? द कलर इज चेंज, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड द एक्टिव. ओके, सो यू जस्ट सी ओवर हियर, आई ओपन द टू पावर पॉइंट्स और वो दोनों एक्टिव यहाँ दिख रहे हैं, राइट? दैट प्रोग्राम्स यू कैन सी लाइक योर, यू कैन सी ऑन विच आई एम एक्टिव. देखिए, व्हेन आई एम एक्टिव at that time you can see that program. Okay, so this is about it. Next, now switching the applications, alter tab, ये आपको आता ही होगा like this. Yes, you can go for alter tab. Okay, next, now we will see common desktop operations. Some of the desktop operation that is personalize in that, yes, you can go for the screensaver, you can do the changes in the desktop background, right? Then Windows color options, आपको Windows के color, enable the transparency कितनी रखनी है, color mixture, advanced appearance and active title bar, उसका color क्या होगा. You just see over here, I'll just go for you for your help. Over here, right click and you will go for personalize, and you can see here the picture. If you want to take the solid color, you can take the solid colors, right? If you want to take the picture, for that also you can select any of the picture. देखो मैंने picture change कर दिया, you will see here the picture is changed. Okay, next, fit रहना चाहिए. See, the appearance is changing. Okay, stretch, tile, okay, small it will be made over there, center में, then span. Okay, so many of the things are there. Then you can see over here this all things. Colors, यहाँ आपको color change करना है. The recent color is blue, you can take it red. Okay, देखो, it changed to red. Okay, if I am taking yellow, it will change to yellow. Okay, so this way you can do the changes. Themes आपको change करना है. If you want to apply any of the theme, that theme you can select, तो वो अपने आप change होता रहेगा, right? That images will be change over there. Then for the start, there are some settings. For the taskbar also there is some settings, where you want it at the bottom, you want at the side or at the right side. देखो, okay, by default it is at the bottom. You can change the location of it. So this is about it. Okay, so I think so you all have understand about the taskbar. Now we will go for the next, Windows element. Now title bar, in that you will see minimize, maximize and close, restore, right? everyone know minimize, maximize, close क्या करेगा? Here like minimize, right? Close, then maximize or restore. ये देखो maximize and this one is restore. Okay. Then we have the address bar. आप ये देखो, I will just go to the folder. Here we have the address bar. Here we have the address bar. When I'll click on desktop and that this, you can see the address is changed. Okay. So this is about it. The frame, menu bar. Menu bar. So the menus you can see, whatever the menus are there. Here you can see the menus. Okay. Then you can see the scroll bar. आपको यहाँ scroll bar अगर ज़्यादा है, right? If you have many documents तो वो scroll करेगा. If you don't have it, right? ये देखो scroll किया, right? So it will be scrolling on left to right or maybe top to bottom. Status bar, as I have told you, status bar is at the bottom of the windows, not at the desktop. Next is application software, general purpose and specific. Here you can see many of the applications which you are already using. Here general purpose, in that it is known as the packages, and as I have told you, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, everything is being covered over here. Database management system, DTP, graphics. Specific purpose, in that account management, reservation systems. For that you see that even for the ATM machines, ATM machine में जो use होता है वो software अलग होता है. For the bank it is different, for company it is different. So that is called specific purpose. And customized software means which you are making, जैसे database, business database. I have told you that private firms के खुद के websites होती है. Okay, so this is about it. Thank you. Please like, share and comment on my videos. Okay, many of the people need it, and subscribe it so you can get a notification every time for your videos.